Hey guys, Mongo here. Quick update in the overall market. Here we are on the 4 hour for Bitcoin. Very, very bullish. We have a tiny range I'm watching up here within a larger range. I'm waiting for another breakout back above our bull flag here. Not much to say. I'm overall bullish. We're on the 4 hour, well above the 20 EMA, which is coming in around 70. The 70-100 level is huge right now. We got back above the other one here I have in blue, which is 69-100. That was a big level as well. So consolidating. If you zoom in a little bit, let's see here. Overall, I like what I see. A lot of guys were expecting a drawdown today. We didn't really have one. We kind of just bounced. We're expecting a distribution pattern. So far, we're holding up very well. The bulls are winning this battle. There is an actual inverse head and shoulders here. Another bullish pattern. So shoulder, head, and then you can actually call this a shoulder here, but really this is kind of another shoulder up here. So it's kind of funky, but very bullish. This whole area back tested the support up here, so it's holding. So until we lose one of these lower wicks and come back down, we're remaining bullish. Jumping into the 5-minute here. Sorry about that. Wrong tool. Let's see. It just had a quick wick down to, hopefully I had a small little long setup in here. Hopefully it got tapped, but maybe not. Bouncing. I'm starting to do more low leverage longs, just less stress on me. I don't have as much time as I used to monitor 100x leverages. Typically on 100x leverage, I do smaller position sizes with a lower leverage like 20 or 40x. I can do a much larger and feel more comfortable and have more space to kind of work within. But that's that. That's Bitcoin. If you look over here on Pulse Chain, we're just grinding sideways. This is just allowing people who want to get out time to get out. The 52-week period basically is what Richard talked about. It's kind of at that time to rinse out all the weak hands. Anybody else who wants to go jump on meme coins and shit coins on other chains, they can do so. They got time to do that. So there's not much to say until we pump. I'm not really going to say anything at all. I'm just 80% of my stuff is sitting in a PLS, PLSX farm. I'm just mining ink. So I am buying and holding. So small little gains today, nothing crazy. Still, if you go at the all-time highs, we're doing really well. Obviously, ink is the front runner, smaller market cap. This is actually burned as well, so keep that in mind. This supply is shrinking slowly. Not as fast as, we'll exclude the OA's wallet. Not as fast as PLSX, but still, this is why I've moved a larger position of my PLS over to PLSX because of the exponential price movement. I took another 10% out of PLS and threw it into ink. So I have a larger bag of ink, but still I'm more like, let's just say I'm more like 50% pulse chain, more like 35% PulseX, and the rest is sitting over here in ink. So that's kind of my thought process. And that seems to be the right move. You can see the exponential moves in price in terms of the appreciation. So I do expect big things, more like a meme coin return out of ink, and then the returns are slower out of PLS, PLSX. So that is that. Big news on the, what is it? The PUNDU. PUNDU is doing well. PUNDU is over here. Sorry, I had to check my phone for a second. My limit order did not get hit. So PUNDU is now on MXC and Bybit, so for leverage purposes. So I am in a low leverage long, so hold this as long as possible. Pretty much my liquidation price is near zero, so let's see what happens. This stuff is kind of like you could hold for 3-6 months. You don't know. Keep in mind, though, if you do hold a leverage long open or short open for a very long time, the fees will start to eat up at you, so make sure you have an entry point that you're happy with. And at this point, I'm like break even, a little bit negative, so nothing crazy. So I like what I see. Let's zoom out a little bit here for you. Well, not on this coin, but go to Fetch AI. Nice move this morning. Broke out of the range. I have a target. I don't have it on this chart. Or do I? I don't. Maybe the other chart. But Yep. So I still have a target we haven't hit yet at 393. We'll get there eventually. And then once you're back above like the 424, you're just going to run like crazy. So very, very bullish, along with AVAX looks bullish as well. Nice bull flag. It's holding its line respectively well. Nice accumulation range, and it's going to pump. Band protocol looked halfway decent as well. Nice bounce. This is a textbook bull flag. So back down, retest the actual breakout point and move higher. Smaller market cap, less demand, so it moves slower. Solana, beautiful bull flag. Solana's about to pump. Actually, I might take a long position here at some point on Solana. It's nice. Don't know why I closed it when I was way down here, but whatever. I'm usually a scalp trader first and a regular swing trader second. Illuvium's doing well. My last bit of Illuvium unlocks from my 1-year staking next tomorrow. So don't worry, I don't have enough to dump the whole market. So I only have a few coins in there. But still, I mean, just hold on to that small bag and just see what happens, because it did hit $1,600 at one point in time. So I'm not saying it's going to go back that high, but I could see high triple digits would be nice. Rune looks bullish as well. I mean, everything's bullish, guys. I mean, there's not much else I can cover. Render, still the AI thing is legit and real. Whether it's the stock market or it's crypto, AI is the game. So you can still DCA at this point in time. Let's see, Book of Memes is starting to move again. This may need maybe another one where I do a low leverage long as well. Let's zoom in here. Let's take a look-see. Yeah, range bound. So I like when coins are on trading view because I can use my tools. So yeah, we're getting a rejection at the point of control. Hopefully come back down, retest, and hold the 20 EMA on the 24-minute, coming in at 13,304. If not, you lose that. You're coming back down here to the value area low, about 11. But I don't see that happening. This is more of a falling channel. Let's see, pull from here, kind of come down. We already broke out of it. Something like that. Yeah. Do that. Multiple points of contact. Perfect. Still got another bull flag. So this could pump as well. I think meme coins will get another push, and people who aren't paying attention are going to get caught off guard. I think Doge coin is already pumping. Do I have it on here? Let's see. Excuse me. I don't, but let's just check that out real quick before I hop off. Yeah, Dogecoin pumped. So there she is, the Dogecoin mania. You had a chance to get in at 12 cents, and you're up what? Look at that. 72% move. Not bad for the supreme shitcoin. Where is... I think I deleted most of my garbage off of here. Where's Shiba? Shiba Inu. Same thing. And Dogelon Mars will be the same thing. So these guys are all going to pump together. All right, guys. That's it. Nothing to say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me? Hit with a Crypto Blackwall on Twitter and the Blackguard Discord. Thanks.